I know you've come across traders in forex trading tell you like they trade like smart money, and you end up asking yourself, what is smart money? And basically they are the big players in the market, and you hear people telling you that always trade in the direction of the smart money. But this is where most of us goes wrong. You don't know what is smart money concept. You don't know what to pay attention to so that you can trade in the direction of the smart money. So guys, if you are a beginner, honestly I would tell you to really learn about the smart money concept. It's actually a great thing you must know as a trader, and this will help you maximize your profits and minimize your losses. Okay, so guys, I'll first of all tell you what is the smart money concept. Then from there I'm going to tell you the indicators that has smart money concept, and they works perfectly well, and they will help you to always get better entries, or rather to understand what is going on in the market. So who is smart money in forex trading? Smart money refers to the biggest and the smartest players in the game. They are the central banks, the market makers, and the institutional investors. They are the entire interbank market, UBS, Bank of America. They have an overwhelming influence on the financial market, which is why the smart money will always prevail. Remember, in forex trading we have retail traders and now the smart money, and this smart money, they can move the market to any direction they want to, simply because they have a lot of money, where you and I, retail traders, we cannot afford to move the market because we don't have enough money. So any candlestick you see in a chart represents money. So that's what you're supposed to know. So it's always good to trade in the direction of the smart money, and when you know the smart money, basically you'll be a profitable trader. Anyway guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you saw this channel, kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, because I believe, and honestly I know this is where you belong, because you can see the kind of content we have in this channel. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. So guys, let's go directly, and I'm going to show you 3 indicators that works perfectly like the smart money. So guys, I will start by telling you one major indicator, very great indicator, then I'm going to show you the second one and the last one. Personally, I feel like they work perfectly well. So if you have come across any indicator, maybe you feel like it works like smart money, you can comment down below and hook us up with that. But for now, let me tell you the indicators that works well. Number 1, so just going to click on indicator stop right here, then you type break of structure, BOSCHOCH by nephew Sam, and definitely this is how it appears right on your chart. I really love this indicator, and I feel like it works perfectly well, simply because it shows you a change of character, it shows you break of structure, and as well it shows you order blocks. You understand me? And so for you to execute trades, you must make sure that you're trading in the direction of the market. So as you can look closely, we have break of structure in green color, and we have break of structure in red color, and as well we have change of character in green, and we have change of character in red color. I have done a full video explaining about this indicator. You can check out that video, and as you can see guys, where we have areas highlighted in blue, so here it shows you that indeed this was an order block, and when you see break of structure in red, you execute your orders. And as you can see, we have a line also. These lines help you know a structure has been broken in the market. So you have seen a break of structure, then you have seen a highlightation in green, so it tells you this structure over here has already been broken, and so you should execute your order right away. I've talked about this indicator. I don't want to go much into details. You can check that video in my description. I have explained well about this indicator. It will help you trade like smart money. So let's go to indicator number 2. It's one of the best indicators we have. You're going to click on indicator stub again, then you're going to type order block finder experimental by Ugamlo. Click on it. This is actually another indicator we basically need. It helps us identify a valid order block. Order block is part of smart money concept, simply because it shows you zones where orders has been accumulated by this smart money. So whenever you will see a bearish order block over here, you should know that there is bearish orders accumulated by the smart money. But how can you really know these are valid order block? And as you can look closely, they have lines over here, so this can guide you to execute trades. When price breaks above your zone over here, you execute your buy order. But how can you use this indicator to execute trades? Perfectly well, you can use another indicator too. I'm just going to do it real quick. The indicator is called high, lower, low, Algo live by Lonesome. So this is how it appears right on your chart. So what you're supposed to know is how the market moves. Remember, we always have a trending market and we always have a ranging market. And so just as you know, on a ranging market, we do have equal highs and equal lows over here. And when the market is dropping, we always have lower high and lower low. And when market is rising, we always have higher low and higher high. So you must know, on a trending market, when you see a higher high, this simply shows you this. When you see a lower low, this tells you that the market is really pushing to the upside. So what are you supposed to know? You expect to see a bearish order block zone on higher high, and you expect to see a bullish order block on a higher low and a bullish order block zone on a lower low. When you see bearish order block zone are respective to areas I've shown you right here, you execute your orders confidently because you really know that is a valid and a valid order block. Okay, so this will help you to really know a valid order block and an invalid order block. Okay, so for instance, here we have a lower high over here. You expect to see a bearish order block, and when this structure over here is broken, you execute your order. This is a valid order block zone. Okay, when you see higher low over here or a low over here, you expect to see a bullish order block, and when structures are broken, you execute your orders confidently because you really know that's a valid order block. So that's how you can use this indicator to filter out valid order block and invalid order block, and as well using it as a strategy. Also, I've talked about this on one video, you can check it out. So let's go to the number one indicator. So just going to click on indicators tab again. Once you click on indicators tab, you're going to type smart money concept lags. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it appears on your chart. So as the name suggests, this indicator is made by Algo, another detailed indicator that shows you a lot. So right here, it shows you order block zones. Here it shows you order block zones. You can see as well, it shows you equal highs and it shows you equal lows, change of character, and it shows you break of structure. So this indicator is much detailed, and it as well shows you strong highs and strong lows. So this is another indicator that works perfectly to really show you all about the smart money concept. It's kind of close to the first indicator I've told you, but this one tends to be more reliable. So as you can see right here, we have weaker high right here. So this simply tells you that the market had a probability of pushing to the upside. You understand me? And if you look at this closely, you probably see there was momentum, but it was unable to push to the upside. Structure's been broken right here, and the market is proceeding to the downside. Okay, when the structure is broken right here, it also highlights showing you this is a break of structure, and definitely execute your orders. Okay, so right here it shows you these are equal low, especially when the market is ranging like this. So when price gets into equal low, you expect to look for buying opportunity, and indeed it tells you this is very strong low, and so you should look for buying opportunity. Okay, and you can see, guys, the market has really pushed to the upside. You can see these areas highlighted here tends to be very strong zones. So you probably see when market comes to this zone over here, it will react to the zone over here and push the market to the upside, and this has been happening right here. You can see the market has really been reacting to this zone over here, and at the end of the day, the market really pushed to the upside. Break of structure, executed to it right away. Okay, so it shows you again this equal high over here. Break of structure, execute your order. Okay, and as you can look closely also, we have break of structure in green and we have break of structure in red. So what are you supposed to do? Look for buying opportunity when break of structure is in green, and look for selling opportunity when break of structure is in red. When the equal high is in red color, look for selling opportunity. When equal lows, is in green color, you should look for buying opportunities. We have change of character in green and we have change of character in red. When you see change of character in green, look for buying opportunity. When you see change of character in red, you should look for selling opportunity. This is the importance of this indicator. Very great indicator indeed. It carries the day top one among the smart money concepts. So guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. The 3 great indicators I have known so far. I know maybe you know another indicator, you can comment down below. I'll urge you to practice this. Practice makes perfect. And one time I used the Algo smart money concept and I made $470. And guys, you can check out that video also. It's on my description. You can watch that video, the strategy I used to execute trades using the Lux Algo smart money concept. So guys, continue working hard, because I know one day your hard work will pay you. So guys, test all these, make sure they stick in your fingertips, okay? And when you go live in the market, you make money to withdraw, not depositing money to donate, is depositing money and make withdrawals, okay? So guys, what do I say? Bye, see you in my next video.